In front of me is POCO F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then choose All Services and scroll again to tap on Autofill with Google here. Now choose Continue at the bottom right corner. Hit Continue in yellow pop-up and tap on Google. Choose Change. Go back and tap on Google Password Manager. Now to add a password, hit Add Password here and input all of those informations. When you finished, to add your password, you need to hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!